Yeah. So when we learn it, we start with a right angle triangle, isn't it? So we have a right angle triangle. So let's say we have a right angle triangle and this is right angled at B. Okay. So here this trigonometric ratios, it's nothing but it gives us the relationship between the sides. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it actually gives us a relationship between the sides. So basically, the ratios, isn't it? So what are the ratios we have? So here I'm just mark. This is theta. Okay, so I'm just taking angle ACB as theta. So here, what will be sine theta?
Um.
It's the side opposite to the hypotenuse. Sorry,
Yeah.
opposite to the angle, isn't it? So here, this is our theta. The side opposite to it will be AB, isn't it? So
Yep.
we have opposite by hypotenuse.
Yeah.
So hypotenuse means that what is referred to as hypotenuse? It's the
Um.
largest side we can say, isn't it? Or we can say the side which is opposite to the right angle.
Oh, right angle. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, isn't it? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can hear you.
Yeah, but there
Can you
is
hear
some
me?
lag. Yeah, I can hear you, but there is some lag. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now what is cos theta?
Cos theta is basically um. Wait. Cos theta would be.
It's adjacent. Okay. It's okay. You just learned it last year, no? So it's okay.
Got
Yeah.
everything.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, dear. Yeah. So here, it's adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay. So sine theta is the side which is opposite to the angle. Hmm?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So here sine theta is the ratio of the side opposite to the angle. That means this one. This side.
Okay.
Opposite means this side. So it's AB. So here I can say AB divided by hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to the right angle. So
Yep.
this will be hypotenuse. So that will be AC. Okay. So this is sine theta here with respect to this triangle ABC. Hmm?
Yeah.
Now, cos theta is the ratio of side adjacent. Adjacent means which is lying in the to the nearest,
Yeah.
nearby we can
So
say.
it
Yeah.
would
So here,
be CB
yeah,
over
wait,
CA
yeah, good.
or
So
BC
CB over
over.
CA. Yeah, both are same dear. CB, CA, CB, BC. Okay, so CB over CA. Good. So here, that is cos theta. Now we have
Okay.
one more, isn't it? We have one
Tan.
more. Yeah, tan theta. So what is this tan theta?
So I think it's opposite over
Mm,
adjacent or
yeah,
adjacent over opposite. So
opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. There is one easy way to remember that. Tan theta is sine theta divided by cos theta. Let's
okay.
see how. Yeah, 1 second. Oops, sorry. Okay, so tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. Okay, so what is sine theta here? Opposite by hypotenuse, right? So opposite by hypotenuse we have divided by what is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So we got it like this. Now what can I do next?
Have cross
Mm.
cancellation.
Mm? Yeah, tell me. Mm.
You have like so you,
Mm.
since there is like
Mm.
hypotenuse on both of them, you can cross them out.
Okay, we can cross them out. It's actually it's a fraction divided by another fraction, isn't it? So you have 1 over 2 divided by some 5 over 7. Like that you have. So how will you divide fraction? you will multiply with reciprocal, isn't it?
Yep.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing we can do here. Just like you told me, the hypotenuse will cancel out. Yeah, so opposite by hypotenuse times hypotenuse by adjacent. So these two will cancel out. So we will get opposite by adjacent. Is it clear? Shall I repeat?
No, I got